Is that where that goes?
Well, I got to do the sync. Is that rolling?
Rolling.
Are you done bitching at me?
No.
All right. We're doing another one to get safe. Oh, hold on. Make sure. Oh. I think we're good. All right.
2-minute clap.
Okay. All right. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cold start. May guess, as one may guess, another one up for sale on the block. I'm going to cold start my 1987 Yamaha SRX 250. So now that I've got complication around this.
I mean, we're gonna be this is gonna be the only cold start video on Bring a Trailer that's filmed with 2 cameras.
Well, that's going to correlate to more bids, right?
No.
Thoroughness leads to bids, Andrew.
It's probably gonna mean less bids.
Thoroughness leads to bids. We got some.
Good thing we got these dogs going.
We got some dogs. We got. JD, you gonna join in that?
For f***'s sake.
You gonna join in that? Your dog doesn't care, huh?
No, those dogs are stupid. Really? No, we're not doing this.
Should we just let it roll? Well, we'll let it roll.
No, like we can't even do this now.
Oh. Interesting.
Alright, let's go somewhere else.
I don't want to.
What, there's 3 dogs out there now?
Give it a minute. We're rolling. I ain't shutting it off yet because I'm synced up on audio.
Well, let's relocate.
Where?
Anywhere. Old Johnny 2 cameras.
Yep.
You don't have to do that if you just use one camera like
is it recording?
everyone else.
I'm used. Is it going? We're good.
Mic check, mic check. Yeah, we're good.
So we'll cut in. We already told about what we're doing, so we're just gonna get right to it, right? I don't need to go over that dialogue again,
sure.
right? Okay. Huh?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. 1987 Yamaha SRX 250 cold start. So I guess first thing, it's standard. Let's go ahead and probably grab them header pipes, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There we go. Feel all around that motor. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. This has, normally I would turn the fuel on, but this one is vacuum actuated and it's already got fuel in the bowl. So that's on. So we're good. All right. Key on. Ignition on. And we'll put the fuel enrichment circuit on. Hit it. Starts right up. Runs good. Go and turn it off. There we go. Ah. Yeah. Sometimes Yamahas can be a bit cold-blooded. I'd say this one's pretty good though.
Yeah.
That warmed up nice and quick, didn't it?
You want to do turn signals? Lights?
Oh, yeah, that probably makes sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, horn. There we go. Left turn. You getting it? All right. Get it on the rear.
Go ahead and do right.
Right turn.
Okay.
Left turn.
I think that's sufficient.
Yep. Right. I was making sure you captured. Good.
Brake light. And let's check the bright on the headlight. Switch again. Low beam. High beam.
High beam. Low. What do you think? Does that cover it?
Well, there you have it, folks. Your first 2-camera cold start video for Bring a Trailer. Really pushing audio-visual capabilities to the next level.
That's right.
Saw it here first.
Kill it.
Yeah.
Boom.
Saw it here first, folks.
Boom. Guess we'll even look at that. The steering lock even works there too. Lock the steering up so nobody can steal it. There we go.